TotalBoat Penetrating Epoxy is the ultimate solution for restoring and preserving rotted wood, sealing new wood, and ensuring long-lasting protection for all your woodworking projects. With an easy 2-to-1 mix ratio, simply measure 2 parts A and 1 part B. Then mix thoroughly until the liquid moves from cloudy to clear. This low-viscosity, clear epoxy penetrates deep into wood. It's perfect for wooden boat restoration, wood repairs, waterproofing, and various woodworking projects. When restoring wood, penetrating epoxy works by bonding to the wood to stop active rot and prevent further damage. It can also be used for sealing as an effective moisture barrier for bare wood, and to keep air bubbles from escaping wood when wood is being cast with epoxy. When used for waterproofing, it penetrates and seals to protect wood from the elements. Penetrating epoxy can easily be spread onto surfaces with a brush, roller, or spreader. It can also be applied in smaller areas using a syringe. Use penetrating epoxy when temperatures are between 65 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. If temperatures are between 40 and 60 degrees Fahrenheit, use TotalBoat's cold weather formula. Say goodbye to rot and hello to long-lasting wood. Restore and protect your project with TotalBoat's penetrating epoxy.